Now, the government will settle all outstanding payments owed to workers in public sugar factories. Agriculture and Livestock Development Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the government will clear all pending dues owed to workers in public sugar factories, a move analysts see as part of a wider effort to rebuild confidence in Kenya's agricultural sector and prove that economic reforms can coexist with fiscal discipline.
During a consultative meeting with the Kenya Union of Sugar, Plantation and Allied Workers, the Kenya Sugar Board and management of the 4 leased sugar mills, Kagwe said settling workers' arrears remains a government priority even as the Treasury operates under tight fiscal constraints.
Investments that the licensed organizations promised to make, a total of about 12 billion, investments, money, in terms of investments, was promised by the people we licensed these sugar mills.
Kagwe's remarks come as the government implements a sweeping restructuring of the sugar industry through leasing public mills to private investors. The CS revealed that payments to sugarcane farmers have already begun, adding that most workers from the state-owned factories will be re-employed by the private investors, while others will exit through retirement packages.
Of licensing was to create vibrancy. And for it to open, employ people, buy sugar, farmers benefit. That is the whole idea. So one is that those factories that have not opened yet, all right, should open.
He said this transition aims to stabilize employment while reducing the financial burden on the public purse. Industry players say the changes combined with fiscal honesty, private capital and stronger regulation could finally set the sugar industry on a path to sustainability.